Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off profile on your Amazon Shopping app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Amazon Shopping app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here and you just click here on settings. Then it's going to show for you window like this and you just click here on permissions. So you go to next window here and you just waiting to open with you this window here. So then you just go down here, you keep going, and you come here to profile. You click here on this color or this mark, and you just switch into color gone. So that's my color, it's gone. That's my profile is on off now. So that's all you have to do to turn off your profile on your Amazon Shopping app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.